Everywhere data science is impacted, and up to this slide, the word of data science. I am only on the data science right. I still not started machine learning word. Data science. Data science is the process of finding valuable insight from the huge volume of data which is companies collecting, and to find the valuable information from the data companies looking such a expertise in the market. And you people all also have to learn that if you want to make a career in this field, you want to learn those skill set. Yes, I know how to convert raw data into valuable information. You are the right person for the company at a higher level package. So to learn the skill set and the tools used to convert the raw data into valuable information. So after knowing the meaning of data science, other thing is that then why this data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI is so much famous in the market. So the thing is, if you will do some small research that about machine learning world, you will come to know machine learning and AI is already introduced to the world in the year of 1959. Today is 2022. Why it is famous from the last 10 years? Why it was not famous in 1959 when machine learning and AI world is introduced to the world? This is the technical questions we are asking to the interviewers during our old days, that is in the year of 1959. There is no huge volume of data. Today we are having the huge volume of data. So once we are having the data, where you will keep that data? Tell me on that basis. At that point, good storage was available. Very good. Today we are having cloud. Before 30 years and 20 years also, we are having the floppy disk, something like that. Okay, and in that only 256 MB data was there. Very small. The thing is that all the advancement for the storage of the data taken place from the last 10 to 15 years. So you are knowing that. That's what I'm saying, that you are knowing, but just I want to ask in the different way so that you will give the answer. Data was not available from 1959 to 2000 in the huge volume, and storage systems are not available from 1959 to 2000 in huge volume. Third thing, to find something valuable information from the data, we people are using the algorithms in the world of machine learning and deep learning. So machine learning and deep learning algorithm advancement taken place from the last 10 years. Machine learning is taken, but deep learning I am talking about from the last 10 years. So the answer of this question you have given is this only. Today we are having easily availability of data. On a single click, data is generated. Post in Facebook and I am liking that post, data is generated. Second thing, once I am generating the data, companies should have the powerful computer system servers to store that data. So today we are having powerful computer system. When I am talking about powerful computer system, so in two terms. One is powerful memory. I should have that amount of memory to store the data, and powerful processor. When I will process the huge volume of data, that amount of processor I should have. So today we are having GPU processors, GPU and TPU. Third, today in this 21st century, we are having the powerful algorithms. The world of machine learning and deep learning is the algorithm world. And after that, fourth one is we are having the open source software tools available, which we are not having at that point. So because of these four reasons, this all four word data science, machine learning, deep learning and AI is extremely famous. And I want to ask one thing from your end. Have you heard before the open source word, open source or open source software tool word? Heard or not?
Yes, sir, we are.
What is the meaning of that?
So it's like free to use. You don't have to purchase subscription or like pay any fee.
Okay. Okay. This is one of the answer, but not the main answer. Open source meaning is different. This is one of the facility of open source software tool, free of cost. So the meaning of open source software tool is that anyone at any corner of the world can contribute to the development of that open source software tool. For example, Python is an open source language. Python. So let's take an example. You people are expertise in the Python, and someone from you has written one library in the Python language which no one has written in the world. So what that person will do, that person will give that library to the Python professional community for approval. Python professional community will review that library, and after reviewing that library, they and for the further use. So that person library will be included in next version of Python when Python next version will be launched. In this way, that person has given contribution to Python language. This is the meaning of open source. Understood? Then you can take any open source software too. This is the major meaning of open. So this is the reasons why this technology is extremely famous. And after that,